We kept seeing these things online, people getting creative, taking a chair, a detailing cart, a utility trolley, and engineering something that genuinely worked for them. And honestly, a lot of those builds were really impressive. And that kind of creativity, people solving a real need with whatever they had on hand, that's exactly what inspired us. And if this many people are going out of their way to build their own solution from scratch, the market clearly hasn't delivered what users actually need. So we asked ourselves, what would it look like if we built this right? Here's a reality for a lot of people. Not everyone has a garage wall they can dedicate to a full setup. Some people are washing in a shared driveway, some are running a mobile wash business, and some just want to move around the vehicle without fighting the hose the whole time. And so without a dedicated setup, every wash becomes a bit of a chore. You pull everything out, you set it up, you wash, and then you break it all down again. And then next time, same thing. So people don't want that. I think they want to roll their setup out, get to work, and put it away in one move. That's it. So what struck us was the effort people were willing to put in, sourcing the cart, tracking down a hose reel that would fit, finding the right hardware, figuring out the dimensions, would it even work together? I mean, people were doing all of that, and because nothing off the shelf was purpose-built for this, that told us everything. So we took all of that ingenuity as a brief and set out to build something that anyone could roll out of the box, already dialed in, already cohesive, ready to go. With that community inspiration as our foundation, we locked in 4 non-negotiables. 1, it had to actually move, not just roll on flat surfaces, but handle the bumps on the driveway, being pushed around a full-size truck, etc. 2, it had to feel solid, not cheap, not flimsy. If it's carrying your pressure washer, it better feel like it can handle it. Number 3, it had to work with our full lineup, but also with other brands, because not everyone is switching their pressure washer just to use this cart. And 4, storage. Dedicated spots for everything, so you're not hunting for your gun and accessories before every wash. Here's where it gets interesting. Our first prototype had the hose reel on the bottom and the pressure washer on top, and it looked fine until we actually used it, because reeling in 100 feet of hose from down low, that's like a big workout, and there was almost no room alongside it. So we flipped it. Hose reel goes on top, pressure washer drops to the base platform. Suddenly, we had the space we needed underneath for storage, and the ergonomics made way more sense. We also had conversations early on about whether a DI system could be part of this. The idea was tempting, go all in on a complete setup, but the more we thought about it, the more it became clear. The moment you add this, the moment you add that, the cart gets bigger, heavier, more expensive to ship, which at the end of the day comes out of your pocket. And suddenly it stops feeling like something you'd actually want to roll around a driveway. So we made the call to leave it out. Keep the cart compact as possible, keep it mobile, keep it purposeful. The DI stays separate. And honestly, I think that was the right decision. The other thing that came directly from our community, keep it focused. People don't want a cart cluttered with lots of add-ons. They wanted this to be the pressure washer and hose reel setup. Clean, organized, built for one job. We heard that and we built it that way. So this is what we ended up with. The active wash cart with hose reel. Pressure washer sits on the base. The reel up top holds up to 100 feet of 3/8 inch hose. Gun and accessories slot in alongside it. The frame is steel, wheels are 10 inches, because anything smaller turns your driveway into a nightmare. And we figured that out really early. Locking casters keep it where you put it. The handle rotates between a work position and a storage position, so the cart actually fits in your garage when you're done. That's the cart. That's what came out of the prototypes, the conversations, the back and forth about whether the reel goes on top or on the bottom, and it does what we wanted it to do. So if you've been running a DIY setup, we'd still love to see it. Send it to social@activeproducts.com. Tell me what you built and what inspired it. That kind of creativity is literally what made this product exist. The active wash cart with hose reel is linked below. And if you want to go deeper on the design side, how this thing actually came together from a design standpoint, JC is going to be breaking all of that down in the next video. I think that one's worth sticking around for. So I'll see you there.